Good morning, future Traveloko drivers. Today we're going to have a period of instruction on how to install your vinyl. From Traveloko, you'll receive 6 vinyl, 2 for the truck, 2 for the truck numbers, and then 2 for your trailers. Go ahead, set the trailer ones off to the side, and then start prepping your truck. All right, what we've done is we've already wiped this down. We've taken 2 pieces of tape, put it up in the corners, taken 1 piece to run vertically down the length of the vinyl. Remove the right side once you're even. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to peel the back. So, while you're doing this, take care of making sure that you don't fold it over on itself and that it doesn't stick to itself. Also, note we're inside right now. It's raining outside. It's a little chilly. The reason we're doing it inside is due to the weather. Make sure you take note of the weather. If it's cold, it's not going to stick. So at least heat up the vinyl before you start this. So get it to where you have the tape halfway through. Take out a pair of scissors. What we're going to do is we're going to cut this. Scissors off to the side. Take out a credit card. And what we're going to do is we're going to pull it tight and run it all the way down. Once that's nice and secured, I'm going to go ahead and remove the tape from this side. Also remove the tape from the center. Peel it back to where you can get to this portion that has not been removed. Grab it. Hold on to the end while you're pulling this away so it doesn't flap back and stick to the truck. Once again, hold it, run from this way down as well. Note, take a little bit of time, make sure you get it to where there's no air pockets. Air pockets will allow weather to get in, and the weather will then cause for this, see right there, and that's why we're doing it this way, because if it starts to stick, you can pull it back just a little bit without the vinyl coming off. And then you can reapply. Once you're there, run your fingers over the name, number. Make sure it sticks real good. So I left the long tape on here. You can do it that way or you can remove it. No big deal. I'm just going to reach up here at the corner. Also, take special note while you're pulling this off. Sometimes it'll get caught and you'll actually pull part of the vinyl off as well. If that happens, stop, put it back down, make sure it sticks, and then proceed. And you see right there, the 7 didn't come off at all. So we're going to put it back up there, reattach, push. If this happens to you, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and grab like a like a hair dryer or something. So you can apply heat to this so that it actually will stick. There we go. And then they're all applied. What I would do is I'd run back through. Once again, push, make sure you're completely sealed. I'd run your finger over each one, and then you're ready to move on to your numbering. And once again, we prep the area. We make sure that we get it nice and clean so it has a solid surface to stick to. Let it dry real fast. On this one, it's much smaller. We're just going to peel the back off. We're going to position it, and then we're going to secure it on there. While that's drying and I'm getting this off, just some side notes. Take your time on doing this. You can definitely spend 10-15 minutes making this happen, and your stuff will last for the entirety of working. If you don't take your time and you just slap it on there, you could encounter some major delays when a number falls off and you get pulled over and you have to explain what happened to FHP or whoever it is that you're dealing with. If you have nails, it helps getting this backing off, but all right. So get down here. This is the right area. Still a little wet, but this is the right area on these Volvos. On some of the other ones, they're not built the same, but this is where Traveloko would like you to put them. At the top. Card. Once again, pull from the top down. And that's how you're going to do it. So you're going to do that on this side and on the other side. Once you've completed both sides, go ahead, take a picture, both sides, send it to your dispatch, and welcome to Traveloko.